Hello everyone, today we will be looking into the list of website and we will be analyzing the website from the product hunt web page, product hunt, and we will be making a list of website that we find effective and can do further analysis on it and can provide us some value. And so for this video we will be making a list. This is also called as list making video, and in some subsequent other videos we will be doing analysis on the respective websites. Okay, so let's dive into it. And for products, what are the products that are browse products or topics? Let's do it. And let's do a productivity section. And on productivity section we might get a lot of products. So we will be looking into the Jotform website first, jotform.com I think, and we will be looking into slack.com, and we will be also looking startup piece dex. This is a product and that is being the best of productivity. On best of productivity we are seeing these things. And slack.com, jotform.com, startup piece dex. So where is the web app? We'll be looking into its web app also. And on productivity section there is a Notion 2.0 website. And remove background of any image. Definitely from first glance we can know that this website is used to remove the background, and its domain name is also structured in that way. I can guess it. Notion 2.0. um let's look into all top 20 website today, and let's sort out and let's sort out from there, or let's say top 5 or top 10. And Google one, we won't look into the Google ones because Google ones are definitely best. We can't study on them, but we will study, but not today because we are, uh, yeah. So Trello and buy me a coffee. So make and that's it for now. Let's do it. And for Notion, it should be there should be some sort of website here, or where is it? Is it in get it section? I guess so. Okay, remove background section. So remove background also in get it. We will be looking. Okay, so and what is this station? Get it. So that's not good approach, like uh, so for product on let me mm, station is not working. Okay, it's working. So for product round, what I want to recommend is that instead of keeping your get it section, you could have kept a small website kind of chain kind of logo here, and website could have made it more easier for user to go into their website. But I think they might have done this intentionally so that user won't get lost in the product's website, and it will become more difficult for user to go into the product's website, and instead the user of the product hunt website will be indulging, or let's say you will be involving with product hunt itself. So that might be a strategy also. Don't know, but definitely what the user of product hunt wants is that they are like they are attracted to the product themselves rather than the being involved in the product hunt. They want to look into those product, but product hunt has limited that ability with the get it section, which is not that clear that we will be getting what, or let's say it will be giving it me what, so user might avoid it. Yeah, let's make a separate video on product on someday, but today we will just make a list. Okay, and Coda, we will close it. We will look into the Coda website. Polymail, uh, email client for Mac, Polymail. Let's see it also. Okay, Bubble. That's nice. Let's see. How will they convey the message? They have to convey the message that what this product is about. And first, we will be looking. So, throughout this channel, what we will be doing is first we will be looking at the website, and for like top five products, we from their website, if we are conveyed that this product has conveyed their goal, or let's say their use case properly via website, then we will also look into their app, and we will also go through their app and try to get idea of the user experience from there. So just wanted to show you my complete journey, from where we are beginning, and where we will be ending on this channel, or let's say in the playlist. And I think that's it for today. Web app. Okay, so let's go into the Slack's website first. There are a bunch of 15 kind of website, and let's first look into the Slack's website. So on first landing on slack.com, a lot of stuffs are here. A banner is here, buttons are, navigation is here, product logos are here. A lot of things have been compacted here. And okay, create a channel. What are channels? They are trying to keep some video embeds in here, and also a lot of video stuffs are here. Uh, they are trying to convey the information from video, small video embeds. So first, Slack is your digital HQ. I literally don't know what HQ is. High quality or what? I don't know. For a like simple developer like me, I didn't understood this. Maybe the CEO person will understand, or maybe most of the Slack users are coming from word of mouth, so that might be the case. Or but basically, these should be the strong slogan for the product. Okay, let's ignore it. Nobody will read this, only they are the curious ones. And yeah, this is a kind the real application looks like this. I can find from here. And here is sign up with Google section. So what it tells to a user that once I click this, I have to sign up, I have to go to the process, and it will it will open the door for dynamicness in the website. So any website that collects logins, or want to make user to do something, then user will understand that some sort of dynamism is going in here. So let's see the what is the sign up process. Yeah, I have to. It's a Google Auth, which is pretty good. Try it for free. I don't know what the try it for free will give me or lead into, but I guess this will open a um some sort of download link for the product. Okay, so you're pretty at the pretty aggressively they are giving us, these companies are using this logo. So at first, pretty like the trust component is in the first page of the website. And I also don't like the layout that it's being cut here. And I don't think this is a good website for a startup, or let's say for a company to look after, to get inspired from. And I just think that it's been it's here because uh, this website is not here to attract user, only attract convey message. It's just a formality kind of website, I think. In that way, move faster by organizing your work life. Nobody reads it. I didn't get your image. That's too uh, you know I didn't understood it. It's not that simple. And what are channels? At first, we have to know channel. Let's see. The magic of it opens to a YouTube video. That's not good. Focus your time on your own terms. It doesn't help a new beginner user, and also for a business owner to decide that I have to buy Slack on subscription basis or not. They are not answering these things, and it also do not have information on like integrations, so get started with Slack is some sort of for all kind of user. These are the steps. Okay, invite a coworker. It's not that explicit. These are not the explicit steps, but these are their recommendation. And I don't understand why they are keeping this customer story solution. How to? Okay, layout is not good, man. Welcome to where the future works. Talk to sales. Try for free. Why Slack? So this is the footer section, and at the end of the footer section, download Slack is there. So definitely for initial user, or let's say for a CEO who is just trying to evaluate about Slack, they will see that it's a software that will be trying to make my HQ digital. I don't know what the meaning of HQ is. We can do, I think, Google it. HQ means HQ meaning. Let's do it. What is HQ in chat? Okay, it's a chat term. Corporate headquarters. Okay, that sort of thing. And Slack website, it's not that interesting, so it doesn't come in our list. Okay, so Jotform. So Jotform, first message is powerful forms to get it done. This is big, might read it, and they are focusing to sign up. Yeah, sign up everywhere, sign up, and again your sign up. So basically what they are telling is that first we need things with integration. Look, we can look into this pay now section. Is there a lot of information is being already employed by this website, and we can see Google Drive with MailChimp, Salesforce, I think, and user can make guess that it's related to integration. The product related this category does really good on describing to a user that what kind of product is sought for. So this was good. And again, sign up. So this section implies that we do have our application, and from overall landing page experience, I can tell that we need to sign up in here. So again, the dynamism is the major aspect rather than static content. So you need to get dynamically engaged with us in order to know about us. So definitely I think uh, um, for this platform to convey its user what it is, or for let's say for a user to convey to get about Zotform, they have to sign up and do some other steps. So this might be a better approach to a landing page. I don't know, but I don't think this is the best optimal way to present content in your landing page, because there could be much more better way to convey the information, and most of the user won't even sign up in the first step. So I think this is not a good website too. The better approach here could be uh, the first step that the user does, like they can track something like the first step what user do after signing up. Like if there are 100 first time user and 80 of the first time user after signing up do a certain task, then if they are able to capture it and keep that in the landing page, then it will be the best case scenario in here. For example, I have used the Jotform platform, and I know that user can make forms, simple forms. So if they have kept the same in integration, or let's say simple form builder, or let's say simple form builder animation also will work really amazingly. And if they have kept it here, extra step in here, then it could be a better approach. And it could, yeah, also these sections are really important to uh, know about. Like for example, the integration section, and all hundreds of integration are here, trying to convey the message that Jotform works with many of the product, and it can make your things done with the forms. So that's quite interesting. But in integration section, there is one um, message trying to be conveyed from integration section. Pricing, whenever you saw a pricing kind of section in the website, then you definitely will know that it's a SaaS based product and they are trying to sell subscription. And whenever we see the enterprise section, then you can make guess definitely that these are the enterprise clients too. And support, like right in the navigation there is support. So it's the important aspect of the product, and there is a lot of feature being shown here, so that a product has this kind of feature, then I can already make guess and make, I'm already sold out that if I want to make PDF editor, there is in Jotform. If I have some sort of table need for my data, then there is Jotform. If I need to make some sort of, you know a lot of things are here. Template also, okay, so same like Next.js, we add a use case, or let's say a template, and the Jotform also have template. So I'm like convinced that Jotform solve this sort of problem by looking to the navigation and by looking into these graphical information. But the landing page wise, it's not that ideal. So it doesn't come in our list too. So for that, I'm going to close it. And there is Buy Me a Coffee. So Buy Me a Coffee, let's, it's just like, the domain is so powerful that it will, you will definitely know from here that what the product is about. It's about buying me a coffee slash my username. And yeah, this was very powerful. Let's say buy me a coffee slash Chaozo soup will be my, I think it will be a link. And so here are creators, so I think it will help the creators to buy them a coffee. But I don't know if it's a real coffee, or let's, so I can see that yes, support $3. So small, okay, Alex bought 5 coffees. That's pretty interesting idea. $3 for some sort, some converted to the coffee. And yeah, so it's like a, I think Patreon. Yeah, it's like Patreon, but uh, get this design for creator, not for businesses. Start my page. So at today's video, we won't go into the other pages, only on the landing page. And from here, what I can say is that buy me a coffee. It's like Patreon, but I don't know how it's different from Patreon. I can't get information from this landing page. I might get that information by, you know, creating links, like by going into the explore creator, start my page. That might help me to understand how it's different from Patreon. But from right now, from first viewing, I can see that it's related to Patreon. There are creators, and creators will get some sort of fees, like some sort of help from the user, and by integrating the payment gateway that we just saw here, like PayPal, Apple Pay, Stripe. So it's kind of, for me, if I was the first user, I will definitely say that, oh, it's like Patreon. It doesn't show how it's different from Patreon, like, so it's not a good website for, and it doesn't come into our list also. But in some other day, we can, like, make a specific video on a certain website, and let's say give us, do more user experience analysis on it, look into it from a third eye perspective, and what is the message being conveyed, or what will the user understand. So for till now, best like the uh, nextjs.com comes in our list. And if you don't know why, you can watch into the other video, why it was like how we have already done the analysis of Next.js. So now let's come to the trailer.com. So yeah, trailer.com, interesting. Okay, so this is the this will be the UI of the trailer.com, and there is to do, doing, done, and there are some cards. Okay, I got I got the idea what Trello is. There will be the project team is spread. Good work, Trello. Good work by like customizing the graphics and keeping this portion. And definitely there are different people. Some people are doing this card, some are doing this card. I think it's going on doing section, and once it's done, it will be in done section. And like uh, like right after landing on your, there is like email, and it wants me to sign up on Trello. So it wants me to take into the app to, that's also good. So start doing, also it will take me to the app. And these are using Trello. So trust component is there, features to help your team proceed. I already got the idea of Trello. No code automation, integrate top work tools, take a Trello tour, eBay. So this is the trust component. They are focusing more on trust component, so that our company, why should a startup owner like me, for example, if I was a startup owner like me, should get the Trello. And by looking into those companies view, I am convinced. Okay, so yeah, so again, so this is something that has its application, and again it's a subscription. So this was really a powerful messaging here. So this messaging really helped me to learn about Trello, what it is. It solved the problem of what Trello is, and but still, and it solved the problem of who are trusting us. So basically three component, like what is the platform about, and the trust component, and the resources part, if it's developer centric, or the dynamism component to convert the just landing view to the actual application. So but I'm a bit confused about, is it free, or if is it not free? And yeah, so pricing section is, they have kept the pricing section down, and the template section also helped me to understand that there is some sort of application that we have to we can make the template, but with the template section there will be the demo templates. So the dynamism, or let's say the dynamic aspect of the website, will be focused here. So basically this image was really powerful in the Trello, but overall the Trello.com website doesn't come in our list too. So for that reason we will be removing it. Now it's like mmhm.com, or let's say dot app. So whenever, the thing is that whenever it's something dot app, it's a app, and at first it says to download, so it's an app. I haven't seen this website ever. And phenomenal videos simply produced. What does it want to say? It shows the x-ray, so it will be related to medical. Okay, let's see. Stand up from every the presenter, join any meeting, start a lightweight recording, join any meeting, start a lightweight recording. Okay, it might be related to, like, uh, see, the works with Zoom. This small, tiny little component helped me to understand what the product is, and anything that allows virtual cameras. So it is a tool that works uh, under, or let's say up at up of the camera platform. Let's say in virtual platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Meet, we can use MMHH, and in group meeting we can use this product. And there is a pricing base also, so it's a SaaS based product. Tour the product, I don't want to click because we are just looking into the landing page for today. And from here this demo shows that you will be having a meeting and you will be having slide in the same meeting. So it's kind of integrating the. Okay, that's good. Share any window, import any favorite desk. Okay, nice. So to make my meeting interesting, I can subscribe this product. And yeah, so basically it's a fun product, fun entertainment product. And yeah, from here I be better on video. Obviously, it will create a background here. And so education and distributed work. I'm not that convinced as a product that what it will solve, but this tiny section really helped me to understand what the product is about. And let's say it's the same product has its competitor, and its competitor website was more like convincing, or let's say easier to understand, then I might go to that competitor's website. Because at first I don't want to download the product. Why should I download the product, and why should I watch these videos? I just want to look into it, like I just want to solve, right? So uh, to look into the video, you should be really a serious user, or let's say there should be some sort of word of mouth in your website, and be better on video. The video also goes to the YouTube, and it takes on, and the yeah, it's kind of
Hi, I'm Phil.
helping
It's
us
hard to make a
understand what this product is about. Okay, I got the point. It works with the video, and it's a presentation app. So here the user is presenting something, and we might need this product for our YouTube videos too. So let's uh, it's a productivity app, but doesn't suits the landing page, suitable landing page category, because like they are taking word of mouth to granted into granted way, and doesn't suit well. So let's move to another. Brain.fm, functional music to improve focus in 5 minutes. That's it. This is quite enough. So Brain.fm, we do have some music, and it's a functional music, and it will help to make you productive. It's focus. It's like uh, lots of platforms are focused here, and it's a SaaS based product, so there is free trial. You can learn it. There is science behind this product. Want to see the science? Then these are the science behind the product, patented technology, obviously, and trust is there with the Twitter handles. That's it. That's the message they are trying to convey. Some sound is we will give you some sound, but definitely in pricing section you will more understand about the product. But today we are only grabbing the website that we find really good to for for later on use case, and for that we will uh, close this website. But what things could be better in here is that there could be some like demo audio, you know if it is a sound related product, then without downloading the app I should be able to look into what the functional music they are trying to sell here, because I haven't heard about the term functional unit before it. And there should be some sort of small audio, or let's say small 5-second audio, would have done the trick, but they didn't do it. That's fine. Okay, let's go to the next section. So next section is um media. What is this? Why is it not giving me the. Okay, so this is mediatelier.com. So mediatelier.com is opening the grand total. So what is this? What kind of product is this? Grand total. What is this? Wow. This is not a website, this is the software, so this is not a good website. I think I have to write to the media@tailor.com to say that, hey, I can make your website, or let's say I can give you a website consultation. So here let me write here consultation on this. They really need a good website, because this is not a website and nobody will understand what it is. Unless it's a word of mouth user, then that's fine, I have nothing to say. But for new user, for to go viral, it doesn't work that way. So yeah, so openpips.com, a lot of people here. A hand drawn illustration library, that's it, that is enough already. An illustration library, mix and match, download the library. I don't want to download, but creation for all occasion, how to mix a pip. Okay, add a feeling. Wow, this animation is really good to understand also what the openpips.com is about. So there is some sort of, there should be some sort of tool, and that tool will make this kind of illustration. Again, this also standing and sitting. So for, like, you might need this illustration sometime to keep it to your slide, or let's say in your website or any of the content. You might need this illustration, and we do have those illustration. It's same like NFT. So they might sell these NFT, or let's say not, but it doesn't matter, because they are like, it's a library. And okay, okay, so this is the showcase. And Twitter, start creating. Okay, you can create these doodles, and free for commercial and personal use. Okay, it's also free product. So website wise, it's a good website. Yes, but this was like, why did they keep this lot of scrolls for this section? I don't know, they could improve here. But besides that, this animation was really simple, and this was effective for us to know what the product. And but not the ideal case here. So going to close this. So here.com. So here.com is kind of, again, here.com, emails new here day. See how here works. Okay, so there are files, there is inbox. It says inbox, and I don't think it's, oh my god, what is this? What is this here.com? What is this? What are you trying to convey? I don't know this product is, how this product is doing, but you haven't conveyed anything from here. For domains, for, okay, by this phrase, for domains, I kind of got the idea. So what here.com is about, for example, fast company, and I might got idea, but I'm not sure. I didn't got any idea from this website. So here.com also needs some sort of consultation. I'm adding this to my consultation list. And it's a really poor website. Definitely, if I have to review, or let's say make a video on top 5 poor websites, then here.com will come there. Sorry, here.com, you need the consultation. But consultation on, and review on, these are the two sections that we are going to make a list on for today. And another is humans.com, 3A's, with the 3A. Why is there 3A? I don't know. But humans.com, mix and match illustration of people with, okay, I got it. It's an illustration website. You have to mix and match the illustration of people with a design library. There is a okay, so here is also the use with the Bloss, and another website, the previous one, the one with we which we saw, that was also used with Bloss. So I don't know what Bloss is, but it's a niche market kind of thing. And okay, this is good, this animation is really good. So look, these are the prompts, or these are the illustration you can make on design the human body. Wow, this animation is also really good. I like this website, illustration of every occasion. Yes, I got your point, making your landing page look dope. So this is about landing page illustration or any sort of illustration. You can mix and match these things. You can use our you can use our tools. You can, wow, this is good. This website is really good. I really knew from this animation I can learn a lot of things about the design and what this website is trying to convey, or what this platform is trying to convey. But these humans with AAA is not a ideal case, I think. So there is some sort of template. There will be always a template if it is an engine related website, or it's a dynamism related website. Then there will be always a template to start with. And so we are humans after all. the I'm not sold with this slogan. I don't know why did they kept it, but pretty good. This is a good website because it's simple, and it solves the what is this and how is this problem very in an effective way. So I think I have to keep this also in the list of effective websites. This is an effective website. Let's do next one. Sorry to interrupt, I will be just. So it's bubble.com. So bubble.com, best way to build web apps without code. Nice. Web apps without code. I don't have to go. I don't have to code, but I can make a web app. That's a powerful that's a powerful thing to say, because the web app without code, it's a challenge. And so look, from prototype to launch to iterate to scale, bubble.com is there. Don't worry. That kind of messaging is passed from your design, develop a non-powerful product with bubble. Okay, I understood it, what this is about, but I am not trusting this product, and I can't trust here at this point. I know what the problem it will solve, and I know there are academy how to build section marketplace this thing, but I'm not trust, and I'm looking for the trust logo banner section. Okay, so full functionality no code, I got it. I got the use case showcase section also, and small trust component is here, not that big. Pixel perfect design, I got it free. Get started for free. But okay, now it comes to it. So coins.com, okay, and dividend.com used bubble to design, to prototype, launch, iterate and scale this platform with bubble.com. And 20% trust is built there. And again, uh, for more trust to build, I have to go into other pages, but I got the idea. And 60%, I think, I'm sold 60% with the website. It's clean, it's kind of simple, it's okay. But bubble.com, best way to build web apps without code. Trust is also built, but I think this image could be a bit better one. And just like the Next.js website, they have the showcase. All from this side to this side, they could have done similar to show to be like not just 25% trust, but like 60% trust with that. So for that reason, I give this website not the ideal one, but yeah, we can come into the bubble.com website. in the days to come. But it doesn't need consultation because it's fine. Now, polymail, email design. Whenever I see something mail related SaaS product, then I always think that it should be related to gmail.com or say thundermail.com. Everyone is same, and I don't get how it's different from the gmail.com, or let's say some other email client. Trust is built. The project section is shown here. You can take a look from get started. So it's a SaaS based product. Managing your email, so it does manages my email conversation. There is some sort of conversation, and there is a long big ass text here, which would normal user doesn't read. And email productivity, same like Gmail. I don't know why this is new client outreach, automated outlook inbox. So not that convincing. Give context to your conversation. Share on Slack. If there is Slack, different product, then definitely there is the integration there, and so we can see integration section. Take the product tour. So there should be a lot of integration going on in here, and the product is but I do not get it, that why don't you keep that product tour in the landing page rather than I have to click here and take the tour of the product. Like, these things will be like accommodated in the landing page rather than in the second page. So, like, you can simplify things and make that experience in the landing page. So this website definitely lacks it. And polymail, still by viewing all these 2 3 pages, I'm not convinced, what problem the polymail will solve. An email design for working professional, I don't get it, because like, email design for every email is designed for working professional, right? And how it's different. So this comes into the category of consultation website, like bad category. These websites are not good. They are not conveying. And yeah, and enough of this shit. Nice one. It's time for a new dog then. So this kind of work, I never read this section, but with that spike, emotional spike, and done with this image, this side, this low slogan. I was reading this, so let me read. It's time for a new dog that brings words, data, and teams together. Words, dogs. Okay, got it. Okay, so you can make dogs here. You can make seat also. So these teams are running on Coda. Why do we need a new doc? So there is a new doc. Got it. It's a new doc. That's right. But okay, so what is this section? Nobody reads it, man. Who reads text? Like, like, if there was some sort of animation or some sort of GIF here without this long ass text, then it could be better. I got the point. It's an all-in-one doc. It's a new doc. Like, you can make these things here. You can keep Sheet, Google Doc, and what is this? I don't know, but Coda brings it all together. Coda is the one. This is good. Coda is a workplace, and Coda for the Jira issues are here. Slack is here. This is an integration king. Wow. And you will know the website is good by while surfing this website. You do want to check their product. Like, there is an urge to really click this video. Like, there were urges for me to click this video and just want to know about it. And again, I just wanted to it kind of wanted to make me click things. So first step is user will view your thing, and then they will click it. But you should not make them to first click. That's not good. First they have to see it, and once they are convinced, they will click into the things. So there was a really big odds for me to click and to know more about this Coda. So it's kind of really kind of creating that interest in me. So the maker generator. So what really makers are built in. So one thing is that okay, this is really interesting. It's a kind of innovative product, and it's kind of a new product. There are a lot of things going on in here. So I really want to click. I really want to get engaged with it. So that's what it is. So this section was really helpful for here, and I really want to click in the product. So I think I have to keep this on the inspiration section, and we will look into this website in the days to come. Coda, good job. And there is station dot getstation.com. 670 apps available in the get station. So one app station is that sort of app that will rule all those. So it's an open source, you can see in the GitHub. And stay organized with the smart dog. There is a dog, and whenever they're like interest sorry so whenever there are interesting product like this, that like if you say that we can solve, or we are the one that rule them all, then it will definitely automatically click once the user to download, or let's say to try that product really fast. And that's what is happening with me also. But I don't want to download it because I just wanted to uh, look into it. Is it really like one app rule to all? Basically what a landing page of the website will do is that for any sort of user, it will have that potential to convert. So uh, even if I don't want to download the product, I should be convinced that, and at the end of the day, I should download that product after viewing that landing page. Or let's say I have to be convinced that um, what the problem the certain product is solving, or what the product is about. That simply that should be done here. So I'm getting idea. There is Chrome extension, multi-account page, auto sleep. There's more. There are 670 apps available in this product. This is a massive product. I don't know how there is a big urge to download the product. So that's kind of good website, but it's kind of limiting me to just download and know about the product. So if I have some bad experiences with downloading stuff in the past, then I won't do that. So for that reason, it doesn't comes into their our ideal case. But since the product is new and innovating, and I wanted to know about it in more in detail, I will keep the news. I will create a news section, and it will be like in INTRI intrigues. The intriguing product are definitely one that will convert to. So this is called natural, and this is something artificial. Okay, now remove background. Already know what this is. Remove background. It removes your background. I think I might have used it already. So if I want to make some images, and if I want to make the PNG version of that image in my website, then this will remove my background. And I think I have to give some money to this website also. So it's a simple tool kind of website, but I don't know how much money should I give them, or what's my privileges, and what are the companies that can be working with the remove background. So one thing that they have done so better here, that is that at the first glance there is like example, and there is a button to upload image. That is really powerful, and I don't have to log in, I don't have to do anything, I can just upload and do the thing. So that is really good. And for like curious user, you can go to this section and can see how our product has helped in all these markets. So this is a good website, I think. you know okay, so this is kind of inspirational. This website is inspirational, and I will keep this website in my list. Let's go to the end of the website, and it can be the last website for today. It's notion.so. One workspace every tip, so it's related to workspace. It's an app or something, so that there is try it for free, and I think it's for free of cost. There is pricing, so it's a SaaS based product. I got the point from this animation. So okay, it's a workspace. I can make all this workspace. And okay, is it a blog or something? I think I got it. I think it's not a web app, it's not a blog, it's just a tool to create this sort of a workspace kind of environment. And with Notion I can do all sort of thing. It's like drag and drop, or yeah, I can make tables. So it's a new version of Microsoft Docs. So Microsoft Docs has gone now, and people start using, like, it's a Notion because it has all the features here. Okay, that's good. Yeah, Notion.so website is also good because it has animation to let user know that how we are solving problem, what is the scale of the problem, and what are the example of the what we can help you on. And so yeah, it's a good website. Basically, it's clean. It's like based on a simple design, and there are further, okay, further sub context to the website. And this website has been better to understand the user's needs. So I keep this in the inspirational section. So I think today we got kind of 5 websites in our inspirational section, and 1 website in intriguing section, and another three website in consultation needed section. These website need consultation. These websites are inspiring. We will learn a lot of things from this website in the days to come. And the product here is intriguing, and we will also catch up on the product, how the given product is solving our solving the problem. So we will be discussing on these things on the days to come. So for now, it's already has become quite a long video. So let me close things for now, and we will be looking into this product and the website, or let's say the user experience or third eye view of the product in the days to come. Without going inside, or without getting too much technical, we will just hit the product from the user's perspective, and we will try to learn from them, or in some cases we can just consult them to do this or do that from a user's perspective. Nothing too much fancy, nothing too much technical, just what it is. So thank you for watching till now, and we will be continuing it soon. So thank you.